Hi, David here of Lancaster Automart A to B, and here we've got an MG GS 1.5 and it's the Exclusive. What I'll be doing in this video is just showing around condition of the vehicle and showing you some of the features it has. So obviously it's a 2018 model on an 18 plate, and just to give you a little bit more context, Lancaster Automart A to B is part of the Cox Motor Group, and part of the Cox Motor Group we are going to be setting up an MG dealership later this month, franchised. So these vehicles are all the start of it, and it'll be appearing over there on the 25th. But getting into the vehicle itself then, so we'll start with a bit of condition. So we'll just take a look at the alloys. I'll just try and cover that sun glare coming in a little bit. So this is the only little bit of wear and tear I've seen on the vehicle at all now. There's a tiny little bit just on the alloy. Otherwise though, nothing at all. Bodywork's all very clean. It's a really nice colour as well actually, this orange. We've also got roof bars on the top. As you can see, we've got some of our franchised items there. One just saying get more MG on the top. And we'll just cover the front alloy as well. So no issues with that one. There's also quite a nice side step along the vehicle. You've got no cloud in the headlights at all. You wouldn't really expect any wear or tear for a vehicle of this age, such as cloud in the headlights. See if I can catch how metallic this paint is. There's a little bit there that's catching it really well, and just along the very front there, it's a really nice paint colour, this one. So moving on to the passenger side alloy at front. So there is again another little bit of corrosion just on the wheel. That is all there is so far. Again, nothing on the body. So you can see as well, paintwork's really good condition. We'll just cover the last alloy, and we'll move on onto the boot. So first of all, just got 4 parking sensors along the rear, right in the bottom at the bumper moulding. There is also a reverse camera, which I've just lifted up there. It's just on the tailgate itself. Inside the boot you've also got some mats for the vehicle as well. Underneath the boot floor, got plenty of space for an inflation kit, so it looks like somebody has taken it out of this, but we'll make sure there's another one in there as it's an MOT requirement. So don't be concerned by that whatsoever. We've also got a 12-volt power outlet in the boot. And what we'll do is we'll just pop the left-hand side seats down, just see how flat they go. So I'll just give it a little push. Looks like it does need a bit of a clean, but it hasn't quite been through our valeters yet, but it does go completely flat. And moving on from there, we'll look inside the rear. So from here you can see how flat it goes. It's near enough completely flat. And inside you'll notice there's quite a recline on the seats, so it's really comfortable. We've also got 2 cup holders in the back, along with this lovely interior, I must say. And in the rear you've also got some climate vents for the back seat passengers. And you may notice as well the base of the seat actually folds forward slightly. There you go, reverse the process. Just to show, it does actually fold further flat because of that system. And as I said, seats do recline quite far, so if you don't want them all the way back, you can have them a little further forwards. So you've got plenty of flexibility inside the vehicle. Now we'll just jump into the front. And just beforehand, you get electric windows all round as you'd expect. And as you look side step on the way in, with your MG door garnish there. So as you get in, you'll notice you have automatic lights straight away in this vehicle, and you do also have folding wing mirrors. You just push that down. Now we'll just shut the door, start the engine up. So there's all the electrics on. And there we go. Just to make sure the volume's off on the radio. So you can see there the mileage, 32,428, which considering we're in 2022 now, it's done roughly sort of 8,000 a year. Not too bad whatsoever, pretty much the standard mileage you'd expect. So onto the features inside. So you've got a few audio controls over here alongside source, a mute button and a phone button. Just behind there you've got all your, just give it a bit of shade, you've got your indicators on this side, and you've got your wipers over on this side. You've also got your cruise control just down at the bottom there. And over in the middle, you've got your infotainment screen. Really nice setup on that one. And then just below that, you've got all your controls for all your radio and your climate settings. So I'll go through those bit by bit. So first of all, onto the screen. So if we press nav, straight away that's down here, a little shortcut for that. Brings it up on there. Just takes a second to load up if you've just started the vehicle. Hit accept, and there we are. There's our location. We're on Northgate, Lund Industrial Estate. Otherwise we'll just hit menu just up there for the time being. So it gives you a menu based on what screen you're on. So say we go on to home, which is that one there. Then press the menu again, and I'll bring up system settings and wallpaper settings. But otherwise you can see you've got Bluetooth, got DAB radio, got Mirrorlink for your devices, auxiliary input, also got navigation, so there's loads of ways of connecting devices up and having things running in here. Then coming back down to this section, so first of all we've got the auto for your climate control. Seems to be on as low as it can go. We'll put it on 20 degrees for now. We've also got heated seats, so I'll turn the passenger one on because it's a bit warm for that today. So it is just on or off for this one. A bit further down, got this little storage area, and you've got a tiny little bit just on the right hand side, and over on the left you've got your 12 volt power outlet. You've got 6-speed manual gearbox, just pop it down to go into reverse, and then below that you've got your auto stop start button, vehicle stability assist, electronic handbrake, and then just underneath in the centre console you've got your 3.5mm jack and your USB port. And then last little bit is you do have the full book pack, which I've got to say is really well designed, very nice and small and compact, doesn't take up the majority of your glove box, and everything is in there. So if there is anything I've not covered in this video, maybe there's a bit of extra info you want, maybe even want to come down and test drive one of the newer MGs, don't hesitate to get in contact with us and we'll see what we can do to help. Thanks, take care, bye.